Welcome you back to the farm. Got a big storm coming, and I got to repair this sheep mobile so it'll stay out of the weather. We had a big storm probably about last week, and it kind of tore the top off, and I finished tearing it off just a few minutes ago. I'm gonna staple this back up, and then we got a we got a medium duty tarp this time. This is a light duty. So we're gonna try it. We got it on sale, and we're gonna stretch it out and see where it goes. And I need to put the front leg back on, but I'm not gonna do that till after the storm because it makes it more, the wind will blow it more. So anyway, I got my cordless staple gun. Of course, this is part of the original tarp there, so I'm gonna put this big one up just temporary with this nail gun or staple gun, and then I got some big washers. I'm gonna try to go through the grommets and screw it down. So
Oh, it just came loose again.
yeah, I'll fix this. All right, I'm gonna get the screws and screw it down real quick. Full disclosure, we went and ate Mexican tonight, so I'm kind of hurting. So if at some point I puke, you'll know why. And this is where I'm using a big fender washer. I don't think it's gonna reach. Going right there. All right, well, let's staple the rest. What y'all think? There it was. I hope it holds up. Okay. I like it. Yeah, this front wheel's broke off, and it's broke off a long time ago, but it kind of acts like a brake. Keeps this thing from being pushed, so I'm gonna leave it off for a few days. Headed up to the pumpkin where we're gonna have the pumpkins, and I'm gonna work them up in there real hard because I won't need we won't plant pumpkins till the 1st of June or so. So I mean, I'm gonna take them all up through here, let them fertilize and eat them weeds down for us, let them take care of that part. Now down here is gonna be the sweet corn, so I've run the chickens to the sweet corn where it's going, so you can see how green it looks. If it wasn't so tilly out, well, if it wasn't so windy, I'd be tilling. But then I don't know about doing it today. So. All right, I think it's all right. I'm over at Eggmobile number 1, and while I got some help, I'm gonna count and see how many chickens are in this on all my Eggmobiles. I'm gonna write right on the door how many chickens I have, and then I can figure out how many eggs I should get per day. So that way I can tell if I'm at full production. Been getting anywhere from 24 to 30 here the last few days, so it's going to start ramping up, and I just want to know for sure, you know, how they're doing. So I'm going to count. I'm going to attempt to count, and my cameraman's going to count, and we're going to see what we come up with.
Got 17.
That's what I got, 17. And if you ain't never tried this before, it's very hard to do. So I got me a Sharpie. I'm gonna write that on the door. I got 17 birds. I should get 5 per week. And I didn't bring my calculator. So let me find a piece of paper and we'll do it by hand. Okay, so I did the math. So I got 17. I'm gonna write hens right here. And 5 times this type. Well, I got mostly heavy breeds in here, and some of them get kind of older too. So I'm gonna say 5 per week per bird. That's 85 divided by 7. So that should be 12 eggs a week.
12 eggs a day, right?
A day. So I've been getting about 6 or 7 out here. So now this is at full production. So I got a couple in there, maybe not started laying yet. But by June, the longest day, June 21st, whenever it is, that's their peak production day. And that's what I should have in that time frame. All right, so let's go to Eggmobile number 2 and we'll count those. Okay, so I'm at Eggmobile number 2. And I'm gonna count these, and these are my oldest birds. And I was actually gonna get rid of them this spring, but if you tried to buy chicks, you can't find them anywhere. So I'm gonna have to keep them. So I'm gonna say still 5 per week per chicken. So let's see how many I got here. I got 18.
That's what I got, 18.
All right, 18. So I'm gonna write that over here, and it should be about the same. Even though there's one more in here, I'm gonna put. So I should be getting 12 at peak out here too. And I don't know if I'll get that. I'll be happy with 10 out of this one. They're so old. So actually, I was going to retire the Crazy Red. I was going to put her little Jerry, and maybe one of the barred rocks. It's crazy red right up there. And turn them loose for a little barnyard flock up there at the barn. Maybe they'd hatch some little babies up there, some little, you know, just to have. But now I got to have production out of her, so she's gonna stay in production. All right, I got one more. Let's go up here to the big one, and now when we get up there, it should be a little different. So we went and counted these. It took about 30 minutes to count these because they're more scattered. These are a production type chicken. They're different from the other ones. So I figured 5.5 per chicken per day, and it might even be 6 because I'm getting about 16 to 20 now. So if I say 24, when we did the math, it comes to about 19 a day. I guess average, that would probably be right. So we got 12 and 12 is 24 and 19. How much is that total? 12 is 24 plus 19.
Is that 32?
It should be, God, is that all?
No, that's not right.
It should be 34.
34, 33. I mean 43. I keep saying 33, 43.
So at full production of both things, and I figured just in the top of my head the other day was 40. So it should be 43 eggs per day on average, 7-day average. So I might, well, when it gets a little more daylight, I'll start keeping track of that, and we'll see how this math works out. So, but right now I'm getting about between 24 and 30. So we're getting on up there. It's only March. So. All right. Good morning. Rainy morning today. I'm gonna open the farm stand. Saturday actually, and we've been opening Saturdays. This is our second Saturday. So I don't know if we'll have very many customers today. It's storming, coming to rain. So I don't know, we'll see. That's the only thing we got today is eggs, and they have some soap. Oh my gosh, it's dark in here. Let me back up. You ain't gonna be able to see in here. Gotta hurry because I'm gonna get soaked. All right, well, that's one thing we got going today is some eggs, and got some canned goods. The girls did baking on today. We didn't know if we had any customers or not, so. I'm gonna get this set up real quick, and I can see the sheep thing down there. It's still pretty good, I believe. Wind woke me up a time or two blowing last night, so let me get this set up, and I'll come back and try to show it to you if I can get in there with the darkness. Okay, I think I got it set up. We got like 11 or 12 dozens of eggs, and some canned goods, some soap. A little bit of box that I built, so I don't know if we're doing good today or not. So I'm gonna head on up to the house before it really gets raining, and well, after the storm, maybe tomorrow or something, we'll check on the sheet, see what kind of damage we got done. They're talking about maybe tornadoes. I don't know. I hope not. So I hope the sign stays here. All right, we'll come back and check everything out. So it's the next evening, and we survived the big storm, and the sheep did all right. The tarp did really good. It's still on there. I don't know if you can see it from here. I don't have my camera with the zoom on it. I just got my little GoPro, so appreciate everybody watching. We'll go start some seeds. It's a really nice evening, so. And I checked this a minute ago, it's about 80 degrees in there, so it's a little chilly out here. So I'm gonna go in there and start some seeds. Hope everybody enjoyed it. We survived the storm. Appreciate we didn't sell out though. Of course, I thought we would sell out eggs. We had a a couple left over, so we got rid of them the next day or sold them the next day. So, but I didn't know. I mean, it was so bad all day. You know, what do you do? So anyway, hey, I appreciate you watching. Support your local farmer. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you down on the farm in the next video.